Talaga, hindi ko talaga in-expect na abot kami dito. Abot ako dito and sobrang daming tao, ang daming fans, ang daming sigaw, and I really miss the outside world. Na-miss ko, I saw my mom, I saw my family, I saw everyone. Yung handler ko, yung manager ko, sobrang na-miss ko po talaga sila. Kaya overwhelmed pa ako ngayon, hindi ko alam anong sasabihin, pero sobrang grateful ako na umabot ako dito at nandito sila para ipakita yung pagmamahal at suporta nila. Sobrang thankful po ako na naniwala sila sa pangarap namin ni Regret. At they were there for River and I all the way.
Grabe tong big night. This is the dream and it still feels like a dream. I'm so happy na we were able to experience this and share this stage with the other duos. We're so happy na we reached this point and we got to see our family, our friends, all the supporters. Until now, sobrang overwhelmed pa rin ako, but I'm just so happy with how everything went.